Hello friends, welcome to Days in Life. Friends, we are completing almost 2 months of the countrywide lockdown due to corona pandemic. In these 2 months as a pharma industry, how we have performed or what is happening? If you look at say our March performance as an industry as a whole, we have degrown as compared to February. If we look at our April performance, we have degrown as compared to last April. And if we look at trend as of now in the month of May, we are all set to degrow as compared to last year May. Which means obviously our performance has not been the great, barring maybe one or two companies. But in this corona pandemic where things are disturbed, many doctors are not practicing or less practicing. This was something expected. But let us look at what pharma companies did in this time. See, when you look at say different pharma companies, most of the companies were busy doing the webinar for doctors. So much so that multiple doctors association or IMA branches, they request pharma companies in writing, please do not disturb us with the webinar request because so much of happening. The another thing pharma industry was doing, that there was a drafted version of SMS or WhatsApp message or even mail message, email, which company has probably given them, and everybody starts sending to doctors. Now again, doctor associations also come into picture and they again requesting not to send them because their mailbox was filled, or even WhatsApp, SMS, people keep on getting the message. Then some companies or some people, they start calling the doctor, then doctors start stop picking up the calls also. When all those things does not work, so then most of the company, what they did, on the video call, maybe Zoom call or something like this, every day they start conducting review or the product knowledge session or the detailing session to their field staff. Although which does not work, but question was how to keep our people busy. So one set of people is keeping another set of people busy, which means regional manager conducting a review. He's busy because he has to conduct review and medical reps are busy. Or he has to conduct detailing practice and because medical rep has to practice, this way busy. Some cases in zonal manager, some cases product manager, they were conducting a review or the detailing sessions. Overall, one set of people is keeping other set of people busy. So objective of industry in majority of the cases, they become how to keep their people busy. Now let us come back to industry situation. What has sold this time in last 2 months primarily? The biggest selling point in last 2 months has been whatever is available at the chemist counters. If suppose you have visited in the chemist in last couple of months, or suppose you visit now also, many of the brands are not available with them. So they are selling whatever is available. So that is the biggest success factor in last couple of months. And the second success factor is the top selling brand or the brand leaders or some brand which is coming on the top of mind of the doctor because doctor seeing some patient on the whether WhatsApp or whether phone call, whether telemedicines, something they're writing which is coming on top of mind of them. So two things which were succeeding in last couple of months is that whatever is available, that is the first factor, and secondly either brand leader or whatever come in the top of the mind of the doctors. Now when you analyze, this is what is working. And this is what as an industry we are doing, the whether webinar or keeping our staff busy, which become our most important objective. This means whatever we call our sales and marketing activities, they fall flat in this testing times. I agree in short period of time, some company who has not worked extensively on building up the brand, they cannot do in these 2 months also. So point number 2, when we say the brand building, or you can say or the brand leader, you can't make in these 2 months also. But company could have worked on the point number 1, they could have worked on the making their products available. If you look at different IMA branch letters, most of the IMA branch, they have requested companies to focus on the product availability. And they say this itself will be service if you ensure your product availability. But most of the companies did not respond to them, rather than they were busy, keeping their own people busy. Now after 2 months, if you evaluate your field staff knowledge, whether this has increased, I doubt. Whether their detailing practice or detailing has become better, I doubt that also. Whether with these kind of review are there better mental frame, certainly not. So there is no difference. Or even now the companies suppose even review the webinar responses. What so many webinars they have done. Barring few webinars which were there in last week of the March, or towards you can say second half of the March and maybe first week of the April. Rest of the webinar, even doctor also will not be knowing which company did what. So what is the effectiveness of webinar is also a question mark. But if you ask this question today to company, whether marketing manager or the business heads, so they don't want to answer this kind of difficult question what we were doing and what was happening in the industry. Now let us come back on point number 2. What is brand building point of view? When we do not differentiate our brand, then it will be difficult for the doctors also to remember our brand. See, doctors will prescribe what comes to his mind first. And if we are able to differentiate our brand, so obviously that will be coming to his mind and is more likely to prescribe. So this situation of last 2 months, it gives two major learning to us. One is, instead of being in the rat race or in so-called customs, let us do what is required at given point of time. Ask from the customer, ask from the market what I can do best now or better now. Let us do that. And second point, my friends, let us work on the brand building. Let us work on the marketing. The Me Too approach has its own limitations. It's not going to work too much or too long. So friends, this was some of my thought. I think I shared with you. I hope this will give food of thought to you and you will think about it, and hopefully this will be useful to you. So thank you very much for watching us today. Thank you, friends.